Hi, I'm Amy from Ready Set Move Group here in South Florida. And today I want to share some simple tips about preparing and staging your home so it sells right away and maximizes your chances of getting or beating your asking price. In today's competitive real estate market, home sellers need to do everything possible to show their home in the best light. And the good news is that there are simple tips and tricks you can use to accomplish this.
Check out the competition. Did you know that 98% of buyers get their first impression of a property through photos and videos? Use such sites as Realtor.com and Zillow to see photos of similar homes in your area. You'll quickly see how your home compares. Declutter and depersonalize your home. I can't emphasize this enough. Put away magazines, paperwork, family photos, toys, and knickknacks. Neutralizing the home this way gives buyers a chance to envision themselves in your space. Now is the time to do any repairs and small upgrades you've been putting off, like replacing every burned out light bulb. You might need to call in a professional for some tasks, but it's better to take care of these things now before buyers spot them later on. Now let's move on to staging. Staging is just another name for refreshing and restyling your decor so that your home makes a great first impression on buyers. Remember, the home you lived in and the home you position to sell can look very different. Rearrange furniture to maximize square footage and consider repainting accent walls a neutral color. Buyers will open cabinets, drawers, and closets, so sort through every one of these spaces. Try to eliminate enough items so the space looks and feels only half full. Deep clean your home inside and out. If buyers find dirty spaces, they'll assume you haven't been maintaining your home in general. And make sure your home smells clean and fresh. This is especially true for pet owners. Now that you've got the inside of your home looking good, take a look at the outside. Make sure your pavers and roof are clean and your pool is sparkling. Plant new shrubs and flowers if needed. Here in South Florida, outdoor living is so important, so make sure to replace faded or moldy outdoor cushions and pillows with fresh ones.
At Ready Set Move Group, we work with homeowners and realtors to turn listings into sales. It's literally what we do every day. So don't leave the sale of your home to chance. Check out what our clients have to say about us by visiting ReadySetMoveGroup.com, and be sure to follow us on Facebook for more tips on everything from home organization to home styling. If you have a home on the market and want to sell it quickly for the most money possible, contact me at ReadySetMoveGroup.com for a free consultation. I hope these tips were helpful. We'll see you on the next video.